about that Grok life. Elon really know about that Grok life. And we really all about that. Grok life, Grok Nation. Still chillin', still chillin', still campaigning.
Welcome, Grok Nation. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the Grok Radio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your token is 1.04 up 12.39% with volume up 5.82%. The price is ranging from a high of 0.0111 and a low of 0.0092. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 66,279,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 7,825,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 19,652 holders, which is down to holders. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are: number 1 Gate.io with 36.26%, number 2 is HTX with 13.47%, and number 3 Uniswap with 12.91%. For our social presence, on X, our main account has 21.5 thousand followers, and our main Telegram channel has 25,672 members, which is up 9. I hope everyone watching today is living their best Grok life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Grok Radio, Grok Life, Grok Nation.
What you really know about that Grok life? You don't really know about that Grok life. Elon really know about that Grok life.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
It's a real thing now. Grok is contagious. We're going to the moon, bitches. Holy guacamole, this shit is pumping, yeah. We be going to the billions now, hey. Steady breaking our time high, this shit is pumping. Grok is poppin', yeah. Go spread the news around, now Grok is coming with fire. Aye. Go tell your friends around, now Grok is coming with fire. Elon knows about the Grok life. Pepe knows about the Grok life, yeah. Floki knows about the Grok life. Even Shiba Inu loves the Grok life, yeah. The love is contagious. Grok is contagious. Grok is contagious. The love is contagious. Grok is contagious. I said it before and I say it again. Grok is the best meme coin in the game. We've done it before and we'll do it again. Take it to $1 billion again and again.